Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Yes, I'm in the middle of a major chicken coop upgrade. Haven't you heard? Eggs are kind of a big deal. Or so I have heard, and so a lot of other people have heard. And this has a lot of people wondering whether or not they should get a flock of their own.
Here we go again.
Daddy will get you a golden goose as soon as we get home.
No, I want one of those.
Well, I'm here to tell you, eggs are just one of many reasons why a person might want to think about it. In this video, I'm going to cover over 10 reasons or benefits as to why a person might want to get chickens. And if this video or my other videos have been useful to you and you would like to support the channel, would you like to buy me a cup of coffee? The link is on my channel page. All right, well, let's move this conversation to someplace warmer. All right, so let's get to the obvious one, eggs. There's nothing better than having fresh eggs from chickens that you have raised. It's very satisfying. But if you're after infinite free eggs, you might be in for a disappointment because there are a decent amount of expenses, at least initially, when getting set up with chickens. There's the cost of the coop, the run, there is the ongoing costs of feed, perhaps medical supplies, and bedding. Those are kind of ongoing things that you're going to need to be buying. And so by those things alone, sometimes it might offset any benefit to having eggs, unless eggs aren't available, like is happening right now. Now, another thing to think about is that chickens only lay productively for the first few years of their lives, and then egg production winds down. And so that brings us to the next possible benefit or use that many people consider when they're thinking about chickens, and that is meat. Meat from chickens comes from basically 3 types of chickens, and that is egg layers that have finished up their productivity, the ones I was just mentioning, dual-purpose birds that are birds that kind of put on a little weight and kind of lay okay, and then meat-specific birds that primarily grow pretty fast, put on a decent amount of meat. They might lay some eggs, but very few eggs because you usually butcher them fairly young. So those are the 3 sources, and the ones that probably are best suited for meat are obviously the meat birds and the dual-purpose birds. It turns out that the egg birds, they don't really have much meat on their bones. And that gets us to the 3rd benefit. All 3 of these birds provide bone broth. There are entire YouTube videos, in fact books, dedicated to the health benefits of bone broth. If you know, you know, and if you don't, I recommend that you look into it. So however you arrive at getting those bones, meat birds, dual-purpose birds, or egg-specific birds, you now have an additional resource that you can benefit from. And quite honestly, once you start making your own bone broth, it's really hard to go to store-bought bone broth. They don't compare. It's so much better to make your own bone broth from animals that you have raised. All right, so now those are the primary food benefits of chickens. Now we're going to talk about some of the utility aspects of chickens. And one of the first, most fundamental benefits of having chickens is fertilizer. A chicken's #1 favorite thing to do is eat, which means a chicken's 2nd most favorite thing to do is poop.
Do not go in there. Woo!
And let me tell you, chicken manure is absolute garden gold. Now you can't put it directly onto your plants. It needs to be composted for a few months prior to putting it on your plants. But once it has been composted, your plants will rejoice when you give it to them. Additionally, chicken feathers, when composted, are a very nutritious source for fueling your plants. Now, depending on how you get those feathers, if you're processing meat birds, there will be feathers left over, as well as if you're using dual-purpose birds. But even chickens that you're not butchering, chickens that are just egg-laying birds, they molt on a regular basis, and those feathers will end up in the coop and in the run, and you can compost them. Now, a related benefit to having chickens is the ability to recycle your scraps turn your table scraps, your leftover food in your fridge, into eggs. Now, my chickens, when I have chickens, I'm lamenting not having chickens right now because I'm in the process of upgrading the coop. Almost daily or nightly, my wife and I will say, I wish I had chickens because we could give them these leftovers. So there are a lot of different things that you can feed to your chickens. Obviously, you need to check with your local laws. In the United Kingdom, it is illegal to feed chickens table scraps. I'll just leave that there. All right, another possible benefit to keeping chickens is the potential for making money. And I say potential because there are a lot of caveats. Now, the profit benefit will likely apply to a select group of people that keep chickens, likely people that keep more chickens, because there is kind of a delicate, razor's edge balance, as I mentioned at the beginning, to keeping chickens. There are a decent amount of costs associated. So it is feasible, based on all of the things that we just talked about, the manure, the meat, the bones, if a person is resourceful and very careful how they manage their flock, there is potential for profit. Likely it will require more chickens than typical, but you get the idea. An additional benefit is entertainment and just general enjoyment. They are really fun to have around. They're kind of a silly animal, and they have very strong feelings about things, and primarily they think about food. So they're very food motivated. And so you can get your chickens to do all sorts of things if you have treats. And they'll push each other out of the way, and it's a very entertaining animal to have. And depending on the breed, some breeds are better with people than others, some are friendlier than others, some are better with children than others, just kind of like any other animal. So that alone, for some people, is the sole reason that they keep chickens. Related to that concept is the potential for education. So if you have children, the amount of things that you can learn about the world around you with chickens is pretty great. Just having a sense of understanding where your food comes from can be a very helpful thing for a child, or for any of us really, to appreciate what is involved in the production of food. Ease of care is a sort of reason, in that once you settle into the groove of maintaining your flock and they're happy with where they live, what they're being fed, with each other, they're very easy to maintain. And so the results, whether it's some of the aforementioned benefits, are fairly easily attained. You don't have to really knock yourself out to achieve some of those benefits. So ease of care, I think by itself is a good reason. It also is, I need to warn you, it serves as a gateway drug to bigger and better farming or homestead related projects. The last two benefits of keeping chickens are they're great at pest management. They love to eat bugs, ticks, things like that. And they are great little helpers in the garden. So if you have a spot you want them to dig up, you put a chicken in there and they will go to work like a little rototiller. Now, not everyone is going to be able to take advantage of these particular benefits. Perhaps you live in an urban environment and the chickens are confined to a coop run kind of setup. Or perhaps because of the current climate with risks regarding avian flu, you might be kind of keeping your chickens under lock and key for the time being. Regardless, being able to get your chickens outside, tractor them, however you do it, is a great benefit, and it also improves the quality of the eggs, quite frankly. All right, so where are you at on this spectrum? Are you thinking about getting chickens? Do you have questions? Let me tell you, the people that hang out on this channel and comment on this channel are some very knowledgeable chicken keepers. All right, that's all for this video. If you like this video, let me know in the comments. Obviously, I would appreciate a cup of coffee if anybody wants to help me out there. And if you like this video, you might like these.